What letter ang pineapple?
S for strawberry.
Oh, very good. Lagay mo.
Yay!
How about pineapple?
For pineapple. Correct. It's a W.
Anong W?
W for park.
Yan. Windmill.
With bear. T for tractor.
C for tractor.
T.
X. It's an X. It's an X.
Oh, where is X?
Wala ito.
X for
Mr. Tree.
Christmas tree.
Mr. Tree. To
Mr.
Tree.
Oh, sige. Ano sunod?
U for R for rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit na. Slow lang naman masyado rabbit.
B for
V, hindi B.
B for vegetables.
Vegetable. Tama ba, Tito Deb?
B
Tama,
for
C for
cucumber.
That's not cucumber.
C for
What's that?
pickle. U
Zucchini.
Sushini.
for quail.
Quail. Very good. You can read that.
Yes, read that.
Quail. Oh, you know quail, Tito Deb?
U for
Ay, laglag.
U for
Ay, sabi laglag.
Oh, ayusin ko maya. Ginlaruan lang natin. Hindi niya pa alam ayusin.
Oh, what's that? U for?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Very good. Next.
Y.
Y for? What's that?
Stick.
Hmm?
Stick.
Oh, what's that?
Yum.